Simply throw toilet paper into boiling water and you'll thank me forever. What I'm about to show you will change your cleaning routine forever. After I discovered this, I never looked at room fresheners the same way again. It's simple, it's powerful, and best of all, you probably already have everything you need at home. Let's get straight to the point. First, take a large saucepan and add 1 liter of water. It can be cold or hot water, it doesn't matter. We'll boil it anyway. When the water starts to boil, carefully add a whole roll of toilet paper to the pan. That's right. Put the whole roll in, just as it is. When it starts to absorb the water, press it down with a spoon or tongs to ensure that the water penetrates the roll well. We want the toilet paper to be completely saturated and soft. Once fully soaked, remove the cardboard tube from the center and discard it. Then press again to ensure that the whole roll is well moistened and flexible. Comment below on which city you're watching from. Let's see where everyone is watching from. After that, remove the roller from the water and let it cool completely. This is important to avoid burning your hands in the next step. Say yes if you're going to try this at home. When it's cool enough to handle, squeeze gently to remove excess water. Don't tear the paper, we're just removing the extra moisture. Then start cutting or tearing the paper into smaller pieces, as shown here. The texture should be soft and moist, but not soggy. Now, take a plastic food storage container. This will be our base. Add a generous layer of the paper mixture to the bottom. There's no need to overfill, just enough to cover the bottom. Then add a capful of fabric softener of your choice, spreading it over the paper. The fabric softener will give off that fresh, long-lasting scent we love. Then add some pre-perfumed coarse salt. Yes, it exists, and sprinkle it over the mixture. The salt not only enhances the aroma, but also helps preserve the freshness for longer. To seal, take a piece of aluminum foil and cover the container tightly. Use a toothpick to make small holes in the top. This allows the aroma to release slowly over time. Rate this tip from 0 to 10. I'd love to know what you think. So what's this for? This is one of the most affordable and effective room fresheners you can make. It's natural, long-lasting, and you can put it in any room in your house. In the bathroom, living room, laundry room, or even in your closet. And the best part? It really works. Now I'll show you a few more ideas. Take a few smaller containers, like the ones I'm using here. In the first one, add another layer of the paper mixture, then half a cap of fabric softener and a few broken cinnamon sticks. This version provides a warm, spicy aroma, perfect for rooms or starters. For the second, repeat the paper base. Add the fabric softener and then sprinkle pre-scented coarse salt and whole cloves. Cloves are not only aromatic, but also help to repel insects naturally. After that, close the containers and use a heated fork or metal skewer to poke holes in the lid as before. This allows the aroma to spread slowly without being overpowering. If you liked today's tip, don't forget to comment below, like this video, and share it with a friend who would love this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video with more great ideas.